Welcome to this charming cottage in the heart of Portland's Alberta Arts District. It's conveniently located just 1.5 blocks to Alberta Street, and its many shops, boutiques, cafes, and entertainment. You'll also enjoy a large, level, fenced backyard. Heading inside, you'll discover an inviting interior with tons of natural light, high ceilings, and a newer gas fireplace. The formal dining room leads to the delightful kitchen and a separate eating area. You'll find plenty of room for creating your favorite cuisine, lots of windows, and most of the interior is newly painted. This home of 1,600 square feet has 2 light and bright bedrooms and a full bath. You'll find more living or storage space in the expansive basement. The private fenced backyard has a covered deck and a dog run. Plus, you'll find a detached garage. A charming home in Alberta Arts. It's ready for you here to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Mark Borgeson with Premier Property Group at 503-539-5435.